Hello everybody, I wanted to do a quick video on this Bluetooth speaker. I had this Bluetooth speaker for almost close to about 5 years now. Yeah, just about 5 years, and I have never once had to replace the battery out of it. I don't even know what kind of battery is in it, but I had it for about 5 years now. It's called a Billboard speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker with an auxiliary jack. What else has it got? It's got an SD card in there. That's where the charging jack is. There's the external jack. That's what broke off of there, which is this jack right here. This is a 3.5 millimeter jack, and we're out of focus, so we got to get a little focus here. So that's a 3.5 millimeter jack. It broke, and I'm not sure how that happened, but I came through TSA, and well, it was broke when I tried to plug in my laptop to it, because I use it on my laptop for an external speaker when my laptop sounds like crap. But anyhow, in the next video, we're going to try to repair this thing. So I did try to take off the top, and it's because it's silicone, and to my amaze, there's the microphone right there, and there is a circuit board right there, and with a whole bunch of buttons on top. So I didn't know what that hole was on top, but apparently that was the microphone. Anyhow, in the next video, we're going to go and replace the jack, fix it somehow, or bypass it by putting an external jack, because I do use this for my laptop. Anyhow, that's about it. Have a good one, everybody, and see you till next time.